The Bluffs Tram Golf Resort, a true links golf course in Vietnam. Set along the stunning coastline of southern Vietnam, this destination offers one of the most remarkable golf experiences in the region. Just a couple of hours from Ho Chi Minh City, the journey already feels like a transition into a completely different world where the city noise fades away and the ocean breeze begins to take over. What makes this place truly special is how naturally it blends with its surroundings. Instead of being forced into the landscape, the course flows with it. Rolling sand dunes, elevated terrain, and open coastal views create a setting that feels both dramatic and peaceful at the same time. Every hole offers a different perspective, shaped by the wind and the natural contours of the land. The design behind this course reflects a clear philosophy: let nature lead. Rather than relying on artificial elements, the layout embraces the raw beauty of the coastline. This results in a playing experience that constantly changes. No two rounds ever feel the same, and every visit brings new challenges and discoveries. One of the most memorable aspects is the sense of space and openness. From elevated points on the course, you can see the vast ocean stretching into the horizon. The sound of the wind, the movement of the dunes, and the shifting light throughout the day all contribute to an atmosphere that is both challenging and calming. For many visitors, it is not just about the game itself, but the overall experience. The combination of natural scenery, thoughtful design, and world-class facilities creates something that feels far beyond a typical round of golf. It becomes a journey, one that tests skill, rewards patience, and leaves a lasting impression, whether you are an experienced player or simply someone who enjoys beautiful landscapes. This destination offers something memorable. It represents a rare balance between sport and nature, where every moment on the course feels connected to the environment around you. By the time you reach the final hole, it becomes clear why so many travelers consider this one of the most unforgettable golf experiences in the region. It is not just a place to play, it is a place to remember long after the round is over. Experience Vietnam's most unforgettable golf journeys with Bluebell Tours Vietnam. From world-class coastal courses to seamless, tailor-made itineraries, we design every detail so you can simply enjoy the game. Contact Bluebell Tours Vietnam today and start planning your next premium golf experience in Vietnam.